Bill Cosby's sexual assault trial could be one step closer to a mistrial. The 79-year-old left court last night after another day of indecision. The deadlocked jury is trying to determine whether Cosby is guilty of drugging and assaulting Andrea Constand in 2004. Dozens of Cosby's accusers and supporters gathered outside the courthouse in Norristown, Pennsylvania, and DeMarco Morgan is there. DeMarco, good morning.
Good morning. The jury appears to be tired. They have been living in a hotel hundreds of miles away from home, pulling 12-hour days and eating every meal in court. Last night we saw pizza boxes being brought into the courthouse, but after more than 40 hours of deliberations, they are unable to unanimously agree on any of the three charges against him.
No matter how endearing the character these people play, they are not above the law.
Two of Bill Cosby's accusers addressed reporters outside the courthouse Thursday night. Earlier in the day, Judge Stephen O'Neill told jurors to keep trying to reach a verdict. Former prosecutor Dennis McAndrews says it's up to Judge O'Neill to decide what happens next.
The judge can declare a hung jury and declare a mistrial, which allows a new trial for the defendant.
We definitely want this thing to end.
Shortly before jurors were let go Thursday night, Cosby's publicist Andrew Wyatt called on Judge O'Neill to step in.
Hopefully the judge will make a decision and give us an update.
Constand's attorney said the jury is apparently working very hard. In other high-profile cases, it has taken less time to reach a verdict.
Not guilty of the crime of murder.
Deliberations in the O.J. Simpson trial took about 4 hours.
Hey, you may be seated.
And a Florida jury found Casey Anthony not guilty of murder in less than 11. The jury in Michael Jackson's child molestation trial spent about 30 hours before finding him not guilty. On Thursday, Constand, a former Temple basketball director, tweeted a video of herself sinking a shot with a text, "Always follow through."
If this does end in mistrial, the prosecution has the option of retrying Cosby. That's if Constand wants to go through another trial. Gail?
All right, we're all waiting to hear. Thank you, DeMarco.